Okay, hi there, my name is Victoria and I'm coffee geek and huge coffee lover. I'm from Ukraine, I just moved to Canada and now I want to begin a series of videos about local coffee roasters, and the blog will be definitely about coffee, to be honest. Yeah, and today we will begin with pilot coffee roasters. I went to the coffee shop actually 2 days ago, like by myself. They helped me to decide. So yeah, I usually drink something with high acidity. Today we're gonna brew on AeroPress on 35 grams, just to get as much taste as possible. So here I have my notebook with all the recipes. I need to find the best one. So here it is. For sure, we will grind everything by ourselves because everything needs to be fresh. Actually, it's the recipe from the AeroPress Championship, I think, but it might be a bit modified for me, so we will see. I usually prefer to try new beans on AeroPress when you can like put a lot of coffee and make this concentrated drink, and then in case you want something different you can add water, like you can do whatever you want. So yeah, usually the first drink should be AeroPress. That's us for me. That smells so good, come on! The smell is just insane. So yeah, we'll take 35 grams, as I told you. We have our pre-watered filters, we have our AeroPress. The drink in here actually is kind of concentrated. The TDS level is high, it should be like 4.5%. So we definitely will add some water, like 160 grams. We will try. First of all, 160. So I have my cupping spoon for sure. Now I want to try. First of all, the smell is still really freaking good. Acidity is not that high. My coffee is truly sweet. But yeah, it's good, but 160 grams is okay. We don't need more.